Hello? 7-8, we're on our way, we are Trainee AE! Hello classmates, this is Trainee AE Ken. What's up everyone, it's your boy Ford. Good morning everyone, Trainee AE Echo. Hello classmates, this is Trainee AE Brian. Hello everyone, it's Trainee AE Harvey. What's up classmates, it's your Trainee AE Jay. Hi classmates, it's Trainee AE Brown. Hello people come, I'm Trainee AE Kim. Hello everyone, this is Trainee AE David. And together we are Trainee AE.
Grabe no? Sino dito gustong punasan yung mga pawis nila? Grabe naman, ang daming taas na kami. Ang pabagi ba? Alright guys, celebrities! So ito yung unang time na nakasama ko kayo sa stage. Ayan, so ito, magkakaroon tayo ng photo opportunity with more people fans. Dito nga tayo guys. Give it your best shot. Thank you very much. Saan pala natin i-follow ng mga people fans niyo?
Hello everyone! What's up classmates? Okay, gusto lang po namin i-promote ang aming social media accounts. You can follow us on our Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram account at traineeae.ph. And also, we would like to thank
eConnect, Idol Studios, Asterisk Entertainment, and of course, Ayala Malls Market Market.
Also, this event would not be possible without the following. We would like to thank Domo Domo, Chamin, Keiko Candies and Snacks, KFC, Kilometrico, Papermate, Nature Street, and Metatayo. So yun lang po, we hope that you enjoyed the performances that we prepared for everyone. Once again, we are Trainee AE. Maraming salamat po.